Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the engine mounts on this LN167 Hilux. Okay, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is just lift it off the ground a bit, remove these front wheels just to get better access. Okay, so we're in the accessing from the front guard now. This is a new mount. So you got a thread on the top and 2 holes in the bottom. That sort of sits in there like that. So you need a 17mm socket to undo this. This is in here. And then the 2 14mm spanners to undo these bolts down here. There's one each side, one at the front, one at the back. Just got that nut off the top. Now we're on the right hand side. We're going to do the same thing, just undo the 2 bolts, one each side, and take the nut off the top. So now the mounts are all undone. I've just hooked up an engine crane just to lift this engine up, get the weight off the mounts. You can also just put a jack under the sump or something and just slowly jack that engine up. I'm just going to start jacking the engine up now, get the weight off them mounts. That one's just push the engine over a bit and get it out. Now you've got that out, just get your new mount. There is a cover that goes on them, so just line that up with the dowel and then just slide that in. Dowel goes on the bottom and you put that in. Just get it in, get it touching, and just put that top nut on to hold it. Same thing for the other side. So I've got a bit more going on. This mount was actually broken. And give it a tap to loosen that one up. It'll come out too. Like that. Make sure the dowel goes through. And the dowel hole is up the bottom. You might have to just push that engine over a little bit. There we go. Just get your dowel lined up. And just fit the top nut to secure it. Now I'll just slowly let the engine crane down. Just have it, just taking the weight so you can still wriggle that around to get the bolts in. Once you got them two bolts in, just put a nut on to secure it. And then we can go to the other side. Okay, just on the other side, just going to do the same thing. Let the crane down a bit so it's roughly lined up. Just put your bolts in. Now that all the bolts are in, we'll just let the weight off the crane, let the engine settle, and we'll tighten up the mounts. Now that we got the mounts in, we've lowered the engine crane, got the weight down on it. Now we're just going to tighten up all the mounting bolts. Tighten up this top one. tighten up these bottom ones. Sure they're all nice and tight. Just do the same on both sides and we're done. We can put the front wheels back on. Okay guys, so that's how you replace the engine mounts on this LN167 Hilux. Hope you've learnt something and we'll catch you on the next one.